In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Canva poster, 5 minutes. First, log into Canva. Once you're in, use the search bar and type poster to see a gallery of templates that are already sized correctly. Templates are a great shortcut. Browse by style or theme, then choose one that's close to your vision so you spend time refining, not rebuilding. If you prefer a clean slate, you can create a blank poster and set the tone yourself. Start by adding text. Open the text tool to drop in a headline, a subheading, and any body copy or call to action. Establish a clear hierarchy so your main message is impossible to miss. Change fonts and sizes to build contrast, and try to stick to two typefaces for a cohesive look. Adjust letter spacing and line height for readability, and align your text to a grid so everything feels intentional. Next, bring in visuals. Upload your own photos or browse Canva's library, then drag and drop images straight onto the canvas. Use frames from the Elements tab to neatly crop photos into shapes or to maintain consistent image ratios. Favor high-resolution images and use the built-in Adjust panel to tweak brightness, contrast, and saturation so your visuals harmonize with the overall design. Enhance your layout with elements. From the Elements tab, add shapes, icons, lines, and simple graphics to separate sections, highlight details, or guide the eye. Keep icon styles consistent and use line weights that match the visual tone of your poster. Subtle shapes behind text can improve legibility without stealing attention. Now refine your colors. Select any element or the background to change its color. Use the color picker to match tones from your images and keep a tight palette, usually one primary color, one accent, and neutrals. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for accessibility and clear reading at a distance. Rearrange and layer your content for clarity. Use the position tool to bring items forward or send them backward. Align edges and distribute spacing evenly. Group related items to move them together, and leave generous negative space so your design breathes. Lock background elements to avoid accidental shifts as you fine-tune. Finally, review, download, and share. Zoom out to check balance, proofread your text, and verify margins. When you're ready, export as PNG or JPG for digital use or as PDF for printing. Add bleed if you plan to trim. Share a link for collaboration or download your file and you're done. Your polished Canva poster is ready to go.